So today we're gonna make a stand for the jet ski to move it around instead of just having it there. Let me show you the, we're gonna have to use all my extra wood. Here we have all wood, extra wood. We have casters left over that I'm gonna use. So in the end, the jet ski will be able to move around easily and I can clean out the whole garage. Super cool. Okay, here we have it coming together. So measured out the wood, cut the angles for the runners. I've got pretty much the plan for all the everything, so good to go. Okay, here we go. Drilled up the casters on that side. I'll finish drilling the casters on that side, and then we've been drilled. Now I'm going to bolt them up. Here's the beginning of the carpet installation on the 2x4. This is the final product with both 2x4s carpeted. So I'll show everybody the final project. Got really good balance. Seems to be good for the jet ski inside. And that's it.